morning when I woke up, I thought of doing something creative, and I thought of taking a bottle and make something out of it, like art or something. So I thought of doing a glass painting, or I don't have a glass painting set though. I think I will be using my nail polishes and yeah, you know, whatever I have in my house. So basically what I have is a bottle of Old Monk, which we got from the airport duty free, and it looks very, very interesting. I'll show you guys. So the bottle looks like this, and I guess it's the face of the creator of Old Monk. So for this art, I will be basically using this bottle, of course, all my nail colors, and a simple heat pad where I can just put the bottle and work, so that I don't have to hold it all the time. So yes, let's start. So this is how it looks when I'm done with the hair. I'm not really doing it in a very decent and perfect way. I'm just scratching down the color a bit, so that it is kind of, you know, opaque. Because what I really want to do with this is I really want to put the small lights inside. Not sure how it will look like. How it will turn out, but I'm just gonna try. It looks a bit creepy, right? It is, yes. But I like it. I like it. You know what? I thought of making the whole face like a bit prominent by lining it with dark color. Like I don't have a black nail color, but I thought of doing something like a proper eyebrow and eyes, you know, like a human face. But I changed my plan because I thought somehow it will look more creepy. And but yeah, and I ended up doing this. It looks creepy equally, but yeah, but I like it. I mean, it's not bad. I think I'm gonna make a little bit of eyeball for him. Well, with definitely not with dark color, but with maybe brown shade if I have one. No, I don't have brown shade, so I'm gonna use dark burgundy, whatever you call it. It definitely looks like Bhute Raja of Gopika in Bagabai. I had fun doing this, and if you had fun too, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get all the updates right away. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my music channel. The link is on the screen there, and also there is a link of Tuber&life on the screen. You can click on both the links and subscribe to our channels. Until next Sunday, bye, take care.